In this video, I'm going to be doing voice evacuation system test 3 with my Silent Night SKE450 and my Silent Night 5808 addressable panel. One thing I'm going to say before we start the test is I'm actually going to be getting rid of the 5808 here. I'm not selling it on eBay or anything. I'm actually trading it for a different panel. So if you want to see any videos with this panel in it, make sure you just comment below, because this panel will probably be gone by the end of next week. So going over the devices here, we have all Silent Night initiating devices. So the Silent Night addressable pulse station here, this SD505-APS photoelectric smoke detector, and here we have a monitor module. It's monitoring the 270 SPO there, and we have an RSS. And on the voice evacuation panel, we have an L series speaker strobe, but the strobe is not hooked up. Alright, so we can go ahead and start the test. First thing we're going to do is pull the 270 SPO. In 3, 2, 1.
Attention, attention. The fire alarm system has been activated. Do not panic. Please exit the building in a calm, orderly manner. Attention, attention. The fire alarm system has been activated. Do not panic. Please exit the building.
You can go ahead and silence it. Just like that. And that automatically shuts off the SKE450. And now we can go ahead and reset the pulse station. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and test the second pulse station on the system, and this is not mounted to a wall, so I'm just going to go ahead and key test it. Go and put the key in, turn it, and let it come open. I can go ahead and reset it.
Attention, attention. The fire alarm system has been activated. Do not panic. Please exit the building in a calm, orderly manner. Look for the nearest exit sign and leave the building quickly and quietly. Remain outside the building until further notice.
And the system is silenced, so we can go ahead and reset the system. And now that the system is reset, I'm going to go ahead and play the system all clear message with this button right here.
The current emergency has now been cleared. Please report back to your work area. The current emergency has now been cleared. Please report back to your work area.
And that's just going to keep looping, so I'm going to shut that off. And that's the inside of the SKE450. Now let me grab a can of smoke and we can go ahead and test the smoke detector. It's probably way too much. And there it goes.
Attention,
And if we
attention.
open up the
fire alarm system has been
SKE450,
activated.
you can see
Do
the
not
alarm
panic.
light's on.
Please exit the building in a calm, orderly manner. Look for the nearest exit sign and leave the building quickly and quietly.
And silenced. I'm going to go ahead and blow out the smoke detector and reset the panel. So that's about it for the system test. I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to comment down below if you want to see any more videos with this panel, because it will be gone by the end of next week. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.